see your comments. Keep them coming.
So you're going to add, then you're going to add shaving cream, and you're going to add one
Thumbs
cup.
up.
1 cup. Measuring cup, 1 cup. Then you're going to pour it and then mix, 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 mix. And once it's all mixed in, you're going to add the final thing to activate the slime. Sorry, guys. Activator. Activator is the #1. So now, after that, after you add your activator, you're going to mix, 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 and it's going to all clump together on the spoon. Whatever you mix with, whatever. It's going to clump together, and once it clumps together, you're going to take it out, mix it with your hands. You're going to knead it, and it should turn into this. If it's still sticky after 10 to 15 minutes, add more activator, and that should be good. Just so you don't overactivate it. And this is how mine turned out.
Your pin. Everyone that says hi gets a pin. And make sure you give a thumbs up too.
It's nice seeing you again too, Mary. You might want to get a plate or a bowl to play on it with until it doesn't get sticky no more, because it's the best choice. And then and you're just gonna play with it until it's nice and until it's not sticky no more.
It said nice slime.
Thank you, thank you.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Nice slime.
Thank you.
Give us those thumbs up, guys. And I'm going to post her YouTube in the comment below after I end this, so you all can come over to her channel.
Okay, so now. All right.
It was.
I saw it. So we're just going to.
Am I not seeing anything? But I have no thumbs up. Okay, I'm sad.
Hey guys, if you don't thumbs up on Mom's channel, she didn't go live for no thumbs up, just viewers. She went live for thumbs up and subscribers. You better like this video. You better like that live, or I can find you.
We'll come find you.
Alright, and your slime should be looking like this.
We're being silly.
And the slime was a success.
Yay! Set flight.
Alright, and a success.
I guess my lights isn't refreshing. Mm-hmm.
And you guys, when you start wanting to do crunches, you need to do it when it's not sticky, because it will stick to your it'll stick to your palm, see? Stick to your palm. But the slime won't leave no spots if it's like this, okay? But if it does, then just touch the spots and it'll connect with the slime, and then pull the slime away and stuff. I wish we had something to decorate it with, like foam beads.
Like who?
Like beads, decorators.
We do. I said the sparkles before.
Where's the sparkles at?
In here. Last time I was like, do the sparkles, and you said no, we couldn't.
Oh, that's true. I can try.
We'll just do a little bit. Ask them, can you do sparkles? And
Guys,
see what
are
they
we
say.
I tell my mom this is like food, and you're not supposed to put it in slime. So should we put it in slime or not?
I mean, here's some glitter.
Okay, yeah, glitter's better. Right here. Alright. I'm gonna add some glitter to it. It's pretty.
Alright, let's see.
Here we go. Ooh, alright. Add some glitter. Alright, here you go.
Ah, that's it. Yeah, glitter.
We added some glitter. Mary said thumbs up to the people on your channel.
All right. I don't, how do I get this thing?